Hi, my name is Aaron Robinson, and there's a huge problem with wasting water bottles today. Every day, there are thousands of water bottles that just get thrown away and then sit there to rot. So that's where we came up with an idea of Feeder Bird. It's a bird feeder made out of water bottles.
Hi, my name is Michael, and the way we made the feeder bird is we took 2 chopsticks and put them through the bottle for the birds to stand on. And we put multiple holes in the bottle for where they can eat. And then we attached a string and so we could hook around the branch.
Okay, so you take the string and you take a little needle and you tie a knot around it. And once you have that, you put it through the 2 holes you made at the top. And you have it done. Now you take the needle out. And you go and you make another knot. I got it. Hold up. Now you have the base. Now you poke 2 holes on each side of the bottle for the first stick to go through. Boom. And you do that again. And you're good. Put the cap back on. Put some bird seed in there. You got yourself a feeder bird.